Good day everyone. Are you looking for a video on creating a website with dynamic pages using Bootstrap and can simply add information, can log in with an if-else condition, can edit and update, removing and searching data? Well then, this video is what you're looking for. First thing is, you need to make sure that you already downloaded Visual Studio Code, SAM, and the Bootstrap. The first thing to do is to create first an existing folder. Proceed to some htdocs and then here we need to create a new folder and we name it as website. So now we already have a existing folder. Since I already have a CSS and GS, so let's copy this and paste it into our website first. Alright. And also I already have an images here, so let's copy it also to be used it later. And now let's proceed to Visual Studio Code. So when creating a dynamic pages, wherein every time we click, we don't need to copy the codes or we don't need to do a redundant codes. So let's open our folder that we've been created website and then new file. Let's name it as r index.php. And also we need to create a new folder for the components of the bootstrap that we need to use. Name it as include. So the inside of here is the components of the website. Since this is a dynamic pages, we will have to avoid redundancy in our codes. Let's save it. And here we need to click new file and save it as our head. Click include head.php. Alright. We will paste all the connection of the CSS and GSS in the head. So this, since I already copy this CSS and GS, let's paste it here and the icon, and let's rename our title a website. The icon or the picture will change to the desired icon. Let's save and put PHP include. Remember, don't forget the directory. Images head.php. Save. And now let's see if it is working. Localhost website. So as you can see, it is working here, the picture, just like the bee in Bootstrap in the head. So now let's design our front end using Bootstrap components. In order for us to easy access design, we will have to go in Bootstrap components, and first components that we need to use is alert. Let's choose here alert. We need to copy this and go to visual and create new file for the alert and control V. Oh, sorry. Control C, control V. Let's save it as alert.php. And then in the body, we need to do some comments here and put alert. Here is the only one you need to paste in the index and the directory. PHP include the folder name and alerts. And save. So let's see if it is already working in our website. So this is the alert. So PHP is the connection between the index and to the .php. So now let's make another component. Let's call it as navbar or navigation. Save as, include navbar.php. Save, and let's copy some information here. Control C, paste, save. And then here, control keys, navbar, control C, same process, include navbar.php. Control S, and let's see if it is already correct. So this is the navbar. Let's add another component. The button. We'll need two buttons. Here, Control C, and let's paste it in the navbar under the search. Control S, and so another components that we've created, and let's get another one. The the popovers, and copy paste. Control C, let's paste it here, save, and the fourth components, and let's edit the button. Let's put login and sign up. Control S, and we already have a drop down component here. And then I already create a breadcrumbs, another components, and let's copy paste the breadcrumbs here. Control V and save, and let's call here connect breadcrumb. The connection. Let's just copy paste this. Show breadcrumb. Save, and let's see if it is working. So the breadcrumbs. So the 7 components is the carousel. Let's see. It is a slideshow components for cycling through elements, images, etc. Let's copy paste, copy this, Control C, and let's create a new file and Control V, and let's save it under the include, and let's name it as carousel carousel.php. Okay, since I already have some images here, so these are the 3 images that I need to put in here. Let's put images and the name of the picture. G.jpg, copy paste, Control V, the tree, and I want to make the picture small, so let's put 50, not 100. Control S, and here in the index we'll now call the carousel and, and let's copy paste this. Control C, and give in the connection let's just copy and edit. So let's edit this PHP and put carousel. Control S, Control S. Let's see if it already has a carousel. So here it goes. Since it is not center, let's put some center here so the picture will put at the center. Control C, D, because I want my picture to be put at the center. And save, so fresh, and here it goes. So my carousel, the picture is already at the center. Now let's go and create another component. The next is the jumbotron. So we'll just copy paste it again and new file, Control V, save as, save and include, and name it as jumbotron. Jumbotron.php. Okay, copy, since put some comment, jumbotron, and comment, Control V, save, and the connection, Control V, and change it here as jumbotron.php. Control S. So in jumbotron, I want to change or edit the text. I want this be out, and here, since it's already new year, I want to be new year. Alright, let's delete this. Control S. And the next component is media object. So media object, let's copy, and paste it in the Visual Studio Code. New file first, Control V. Let's save it. Let's name it as media object.php. Okay, and then copy this. Let's paste it here with some media object. Sorry, media object, and the connection, copy, Control V, view, and the end comment, Control N. And Also, let's edit this media object. Same process. Save. And let's see if it is working. So this already here in the media object. The next component is button groups. So let's copy this again and new file, Control V and save. Oh no, sorry. Let's name it as button group .php and call connection button group and Control V. Let's copy the connection. We'll just change Control V D. And let's try to see if it's already working. Sorry about that. Button group. Right. Alright, so it is already here in the bottom group, and the last is the footer. So let's put some footer in the end of our index. So I already put here some footer codes and also in the index. Let's load it here, and this is my footer, simple footer. And now let's make our main content. Let's save this as a, let's create a new folder and create pages. Then let's put it here, the login.php, and then go to Bootstrap. Let's find it a form and copy this form into the login. Control S, and here in the index, let's make our main content here, main content. And now let's create our main content for the login button and the sign up. Since we don't have any codes yet, we will just put our main content here. So new file, save as. Let's create new page, a folder. We name it pages, and then we will name it as our login.php and go to Bootstrap for the format of our form. Let's copy this. Sorry. Copy, paste it here, Bootstrap and the connection include folder from reset get sorry reset reset get folder mark get again folder for pages. I will explain this later. Page, let's create another variable again. Reset get page again page length 5 length page and the page mark include folder is a variable and ESET is a if-else condition whether the folder has something on it, then the result will appear. ESET folder is ESET folder is a true condition. No, ESET is true if the statement ESET is true. If ESET folder is true, then it will appear. But if it is not true, the pages folder will appear. Just like this include folder and speech folder is just the same process. Okay. If the folder or page is true, this will be the output. And if it is not true, the login page will appear. Let's see if there is already an output in this main content. So let's click login. So here it goes, our main content, the login.php form. And now let's create our sign up form. New file. Let's save this in the pages folder and name it as sign up.php. Save and let's get some form here. No, Let's just copy the same form and we will add it more in the sign up form. But before that, let's go to localhost, host PHP admin. No, localhost. But, but before we create our sign up form, we just need to go in PHP my admin and we need to create database here and we'll name it as a db website create, and we will need to create a table. Let's just name tb web, and we need 15 fields in this table. Create, and here let's add user ID for the sign up, not in this table, we need to put our primary key. So since user ID is our primary key, we need to click this, the length, this, and click as our primary. Go, and the rest, since this is a word, we need to click varchar. Gender, status, age is a number, so integers, and birthday also. The address, zip code is a number, username, email, password, phone is a number, skin color is a text. 100, 100. Let's just limit it to 100. Age, username, phone, and skin color. Let's just save this. We will use this table in our sign up form. Since we put 15 fields here, in sign up we should put 15 too. So I'll just copy paste this and edit. I already done editing these 15 fields. So let's see if it is working in the sign up page. The login is okay in the sign up. So this is the 15 fields in the sign up form. Go back. So this is the website page. Website. So this is the dynamic pages using Bootstrap, wherein this is the only content that will change whenever we click login or sign up, and the rest of the carousel, jumbotron, etc., the header and the footer will never be changed. The only change is the content here. So that's it. That's the dynamic pages.